Now this is a part of the Towball drawing that's quite often asked about. Once we've put this little chamfer on here, what do we do next to start drawing this line off at the angle? And the best way to do it is using relative polar coordinates. So we're starting from this point down here, and we're going to draw a line. We can start at that point, and we don't know how long this line is going to be. We'll just use a fillet to finish it off, but we do know that it's at an angle of 20 degrees. So relative to my last point, I'll go a distance, guessing a distance, let's say 20 at an angle of, now that would be 90 degrees, plus 20 degrees would be 110, and that's the right angle. Now the easiest way to get the center or the neck of the ball here would be to offset a line from the center line, and then we'll just drop a fillet in there. I might just do a center line through here to start with. Now just to get the center line of our ball, I'll offset this line here. It's a distance of 45. So there's the center of our ball. Let's just put in a couple of circles. It's 50 diameter, that'll be a 25 radius, and let's offset this line now. Offset once again, and the distance is 30 between the two outer lines, so that'll be an offset of 15 from the center. So we'll go 15 down there, and now we just drop in some fillets. So fillet, set our radius. These days you can actually click on the word radius to set it, and the first one is a 6mm radius, so we'll just select those two lines, and there's our first fillet. And it says it's a 3mm radius coming to the ball, so fillet once again, radius 3, select the line and the arc, and that drops in the fillet there. Now we can put this up the other side by using the mirror command. Modify mirror, select the objects we want, 1, 2, 3, 4 entities, and our mirror line will be that center line. Don't delete the objects. So that's finished. Now we need to do some trimming. So here is trim. Let's use the coward's way of trimming. I'll just select everything, press the enter key, and click on what I want to delete. So that's trimmed back, and I think we might be nearly there. We can delete those center lines to finish it off. All good?